opportunity. All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. So here we go. Just 3 in the air, rounding out this heat. Now we're going to get some full grids as we bring our next group up. We have a few pilots practicing, doing their first practice, and a few qualifying in that big lineup behind us. It's going to be some good watching. We are qualifying for real with our 3 in the air right now. Who, Otter, and James. Who? That's a Howard Stern soundbite, I think. Here we go. Ripping 35 seconds in, minute 25. Let's pick up your leader. Looks like that's going to be the Otter. He's coming out of the twisted, the spiral. He is at the large tower. See that quad going around, circling around that tower? It's a tornado tower. That's the Otter, and that is your leader as he's about to round out lap number 1 here in a moment. Comes low side through that tunnel, backside of our tent over to our start-finish gate. That's lap 1 done for the Otter, 59-4. And looks like he is going to hit the dive gate on the far side, and he is in the net, so he is now done. Not going to be able to pull himself out of that one. Watch Shames have a issue. He's just going to fall out of the sky. Now I go on board with Who. He gets his first lap in, and now he's on to lap number 2. Haven't noticed his OSD, but it just has been saying land now the whole time. So his OSD is against him, but I'm with him. Here we go. Come on, Who. On lap 2. We're going to get a third one in. Looking for your fastest 3 consecutive in qualifying. Some pilots get 5, some get 3. At least everyone gets a qualifying rank. So far, only 13 pilots that have gotten 3 laps. We're taking our top 64 out of 107 pilots to our championship Saturday top 64 double elimination bracket. But qualifying matters. You want to qualify as high as possible, because higher you are, the lower quals will be racing against you. 1 lap to go for Who. He goes across with a 42-2. And now 1 more lap to go. Squeezed over with about 4.2 seconds to spare. He's out by that wing on the far side. Wow, just about saved it, but knifed edge under the Cessna. Let's see if we can take off again. Come on, Who. Come on, Who. Do that voodoo. You got Who. He's trying to arm, guys. Hold it up in the air. Wish, wait, and hope for that connection. There we are. We're rearmed. There you go, Who. Who's in the air? Who. That is Who. He is going to round out lap number 3 here in just a second into that spiral of flags. You got this, Who. There we are. Oh, no. I'm seeing a black screen. Yeah. Once that screen goes black, that video's not